Labelle, I'm very passionate about this because I live in Lagos. What I want to ask you is, number one, housing. Landlords have the right to treat us anyhow, despite the laws, right? And then they go to court, and then they treat us anyhow. Number two, right, apart from housing, is what are you doing to fix that?
What are you doing?
What are you gonna do to fix landlord/rentee situation? Just because I
rent.
Yeah, rentee. I'm a rentee. He's a landlord. As well. Number two. Hold up, sir. Hold up.
Talk.
Words are cheap. Politics is cheap. We have voted for people in Nigeria. We're tired of voting for people.
What's she saying?
What are you saying?
What's she saying?
The first question, you want me to repeat it, sir?
Hell no.
The second one, hold on.
This lady is drunk. This lady is drunk. This lady is drunk. She's drunk. She's drunk. She's drunk. She's drunk. She's drunk. Wow.
I'm a young woman. You're asking me to leave the podium because what? I'm smart enough to ask a question? Sir? Okay. So, what are you going to do about housing? Landlords get the rent. What are you going to do about it?
Don't be rude. You just ask a question. You go and sit down.
Hello? So that we go on
Thank you very much. Hello. You know, as a governor, you have to be father to all. So, and that's what I've demonstrated. I wanted her. You see, that's how we need to train ourselves very well. I wanted her to express herself fully. I actually offered her my mic. You know, she still asked the same question 3 times. But she wanted to stand in front of me and answer. She really doesn't need to create a scene. But like I said, your governor will be a listening governor. He will be a governor that will be inclusive for the old, for the young lady who want to be in Lagos, for everybody.